In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the upper glove box in a Prius. In this case, we're looking at a Prius V or Prius wagon. These cars have two glove boxes, a lower and an upper. Upper has springs that should hold it open. This one's working fine. If yours isn't, I can show you how to remove it and we can look and see what's wrong. To remove the glove box, all you have to do is just remove the stereo system, remove the upper dash, and then the ventilation. Just kidding. It's really simple. Just open the lower glove box, open the upper, and you're going to see two holes inside, one on the left, one on the right. Just stick the tip of a screwdriver in there and don't be shy. Give it a healthy yank and it just pulls right out. Nice and easy. That has got to be worth hitting the subscribe button. But once you've got it out, this is how it's held in. You'll notice you have 8 push tabs. They're just little friction tabs, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, no screws, so you didn't break anything. They just match up with the dash. You've got spring on one side, you got another spring on the other. And I can show you how to easily remove and replace those. But if your box is too badly damaged, I'll put a part number up there. And mostly you're going to be using this part number to find used ones because they're pretty readily available. This one works fine. The door stays open. And it stays open because these springs on the side are holding it open. And it's possible that if yours isn't working, it maybe just came undone. It may be laying inside of your dash. And if you can find it, this is how it goes in. It just plugs into this little hole here. Now, if your roller is gummed up, you could spray a little bit of lubricant on there, even better to wash it. That should loosen things up nicely. To put it back in, just like we removed it, you want to just align the 8 push tabs with the 8 holes in the dash. And once you get those lined up, it just pushes back into place with a good snap. If this helped you out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.